So I'm here now at 2020 GMC Denali 6.6 Duramax four-wheel drive. We did a service on it yesterday. Now we're going to be checking out the gearboxes, which I always check. This one has 36,000 miles on it. I have not done it before, but I always check the gearboxes. And what I found to come out over the years, especially on some of the new GMCs and Chevy trucks, is that they come low. They don't come low, but they always end up low with gear oil, either quart and a half low from the factory or just when being transported. So I like to check them out and see what's in there. So let's have a look here. All right, let's check this out here. So I bet you this has never even been opened before, at least not by me. So it should be able to stick your pinky finger in there and right to the first knuckle, and the level should come right to the tip of your finger. So let's see. I'm gonna say that looks pretty low to me. So my pinky finger is almost all the way in there. I'm going to say this is at least 2 quarts low. It's a 4-quart differential. 36,000 miles. We are going to recommend the customer, let the customer know we're going to change this. Have some fresh oil in there. This new gear oil should actually be changed at the first 5,000 miles. You have to remember, you do not have a filter in there. You're getting all the factory stuff, all the slag and where metal particles and everything, and all it does is float around and get between all the gears. So let's drain the oil and see what comes out the bottom. Colors not too bad, but it's original. So we're gonna let that drain. We're gonna get our new product ready. We're going with AMSOIL Severe Gear, product code SVG, which is the 75W-90. That's a GL5 rated. Has extreme pressure additives in it. Recommended for severe service, severe towing, severe terrain. It's also applicable for commercial, truck, off-road, towing, racing, steep hill climbing. Let me take this plug off too. Grab about 4 quarts. Also, some of these differentials, you can't get your finger in there, so take a handy little zip tie here. I bend the end of it like so, and you can actually find your way in there and stick it in there, and kind of like that, and which is about the same as a pinky knuckle right there. See that? And then you should actually be able to hit the tip on that. So we didn't need that because they couldn't get it in, and actually went pretty far down there. So, okay, stand by. So I always do like to know how much comes out. It is actually kind of metallic-y here. It always looks clearer when you don't have anything behind it, so. What do we have?
I've never even heard that. I would say just order it from Amazon. I've never heard that.
So we had here 2.5 quarts, so 1.5 quart low. All right, so we're gonna grab some 75W-90 AMSOIL Severe Gear. Right here. So for this differential, we're going with 75W-90 AMSOIL Severe Gear. This is an awesome oil. It has a GL5 rating and is built with a very robust extreme pressure additive package. So it's very effective at reducing heat, especially in a truck with a differential like we're gonna do here. And it also forms a barrier coating on the components to help prevent wear and pitting and scoring. So it's perfect for towing and hauling and multiple severe service applications. Now I have this squeeze pack right here. I transferred into a squeeze pack, even though it says 75, 85 on it. I transfer it in there and I squeeze it in because on some application it's much easier to do that. But AMSOIL does make these multi-viscosity oils in all of the squeeze packs or the quart bottles. So that is what I'm going to do here, and let's get it done and get this customer back on the road. Well, we do have it fully drained now. The other thing is too is both these plugs do not have magnets on them, so that's unfortunate. They can't collect the little metal particles that might come off the bottom. So sometimes I get a replacement one and that have magnets on them and put them on because they're good to clean here and there every once in a while. But so and we have 75W-90 in this. Show you how pretty simple it is. We just put that in there like that. And we can just squeeze one pack in there. Okay, like so. We'll get 3 more in there. Always check your specific model, your make and model for capacity and recommended proper product in there. You can go to AMSOIL.com for your vehicle product lookup guide there, your make and model, and you can find exactly what product you need and how much you need of it. You can also go to www.bestsynthetics4u, the number 4, the letter U. Go to the menu bar, click on products, and you could also search that way. I'll also install 1 quart for you with the hand pump or the bottle here, if you see that. And you could decide for yourself which is better for your application. You see, it takes a little longer. But if you don't use up everything that's in the bottle, you just put the lid back on it and save it. Easier to transport that way. You gotta watch this little end right there. Sometimes that thing squirts off with pressure. You don't want gear oil on you. I'm sure some of you might have gotten gear oil on you before, and it's that EP additive that's the odor that has a tendency to linger around for a while. Okay, so that guy's empty. Let's have a check now. So you see how it was with the pump in there, and a little bit more difficult, but okay, so we got a little bit under 4 quarts in here. Check the level now. See, so we're actually right about here, so I think that's good. And we'll get the differential plug on here. Always want to make sure these plugs, they have a little beveled O-ring right there. You always want to make sure that's on there too. Sometimes they get stuck on the cover and you don't know it, and they'll fall in the bucket of oil and it will leak on you. Button's tight. I actually put my coat on here. That way I know I was the last one in there. So that's a rear differential fluid change on a 2020 GMC with AMSOIL 75W-90 Severe Gear. So there are those out there that try the rest, or you can demand the best. That's what we put in here. So thanks again for joining us. If you like the content, please follow along, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next installment. Have a great day.